Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The Man of the World 2024 Swimwear and Beachwear Competition showcased the exceptional physics and charisma of its contestants, highlighting the best in swimwear, beachwear, and overall physique. In the Best in Swimwear category, Sergio Asuaga from Venezuela clinched the gold medal, captivating the judges with his confident demeanor and well-defined physique. France Gwen Giguso earned the silver, demonstrating elegance and style, while India's Lavesh Mohan Barambe secured the bronze with his striking presence. The Best in Beachwear segment saw Puerto Rico's Fernando Padilla taking the gold, impressing with his effortless charm and beach-ready look, and Kenneth Cabungcal from the Philippines received the silver medal, showcasing his vibrant personality and athletic build, and Sibas Mora from Ecuador rounded out the top three with bronze, combining his rugged appeal with a laid-back attitude. And in the Best Physique category, Brazil Casio Miguel Leles de Sousa dominated with a gold medal, reflecting his dedication to fitness and aesthetics. Doan Cong Vinh from Vietnam earned the silver, demonstrating an impressive balance and muscle and symmetry. And the bronze went to Kasim Keskin from the United Kingdom, whose sculpted physique and commanding presence were undeniable. And these winners exemplify the high standard of the Man of the World competition, celebrating not just physical beauty, but also the charisma and confidence that define true world-class male pageantry. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!